purpose-built, the way it was modified, to give us more capability off-road. Not necessarily Rubicon Trail, but off-road in places like we are here today.
The whole concept is get off the grid and get away from the city, right?
Get away from people, you're getting off the pavement, and we're getting into some places where we could get stuck.
Absolutely.
In and out of water, in and out of mud. So we recognize we need to add a winch to this vehicle. Tell me about the Bulldog Winch, the one we went with.
Yeah, so we went with a 12,000-pound Bulldog Winch with synthetic rope. Bulldog's a relatively newer player in the market. It's a value line winch. It's a little bit less expensive, but it doesn't give up on quality. It is an imported product, but one of the nice things about it is that they do service it. They do carry parts in the United States. Most of the value winches that we found that are imported from overseas, they're disposable. The Bulldog's not. We can get parts. We can get components. We have customer support.
Well, I haven't gotten stuck, but I have pulled the winch out and reeled it back in, and it worked great.
Absolutely, and don't ever discount pulling out shrubbery and bushes at home.
That's right.
That always makes the wife happy.
And then we have an aftermarket hook
Right.
on the front, on attached to the Bulldog winch.
Right. So we have a Factor 55 shackle on the front. Now the Factor 55 is a great piece. Factor 55 is what they call the closed winching system. So there's no hook, there's no opening in it. Once you've attached everything together, the entire system is closed. There's no opens that anything could ever fall out of or pop. It's much, much safer. When we get into a hook, they've got that little spring-loaded clip. Well, all too often they drag along the rocks and they do this and they do that, and that little clip gets broke. When that
You may
happens,
not realize it until you need it.
Yeah, and then the hook could be halfway engaged on a strap and then fly off. And it's deadly at that point. Factor 55 is an amazing product. They offer several different styles of shackles that go on the end of winches, as well as multitudes of other recovery equipment that go along with that.
And Factor 55 comes in multiple colors.
It does, and of course we got orange.
And we got orange.